Let's do this NCLEX question of the day on ABGs. The nurse is caring for a patient with a nasogastric tube connected to high suction for over 24 hours. Which of the following ABG results would indicate the patient is in metabolic alkalosis? Now let's just quickly review how a patient with long-term or high suction nasogastric tube can get into metabolic alkalosis. So alkalosis is basic, and remember that our stomach is extremely acidic. So if I'm removing all my stomach acid through an NG tube for a long period of time or quickly over 24 hours, then I might throw this patient into metabolic alkalosis because I'm removing all of the acid, therefore I am basic. So let's look at these options and see which ones match metabolic alkalosis. Okay, so down here at the bottom, we have our normal ranges for pH, PaCO2, and HCO3. We are looking for metabolic alkalosis as indicated by the question. Now, anytime you have an ABG question, the first thing you want to do is determine the pH, okay? So in metabolic alkalosis, my pH is going to be greater than 7.45 to make it alkalotic. So let's run through A, B, C, and D to see which ones we can eliminate. In option A, we have 7.28. That is below 7.35, so that's acidotic and not an answer. Option B, I have 7.49. That's alkalotic. Option C, 7.48. That's alkalotic. And option D, 7.47. That is also alkalotic, so we have eliminated only one option. Now, using the ROME acronym, I remember that metabolic is going to be equal to my pH. So for metabolic alkalosis, if I have a high pH, then I'm going to need a high bicarb. So normal range for bicarb is 22 to 26, as you can see down here. In option B, I have a bicarb of 22. That's normal range. Option C, I have a bicarb of 29. That's high. And option D, I have a bicarb of 24. That's also in normal range. So my answer is going to be option C for metabolic alkalosis. If you have any questions, go back and watch my basic ABG video and follow for more videos tomorrow.